What's up everybody, it's Yelo Autosports. Today I've got a beautiful Toyota Supra. This vehicle is in today for a full paint correction as well as ceramic coating. Now if you don't know about ceramic coatings, they are a protective layer that we're going to put on top of the paint. But we don't do that until we've done a full paint correction. So that's buffing, polishing, claying, washing the car, iron decontamination, getting everything off the surface and refining that to the best we can. Then we protect it. So I'll just film the process. I hope you enjoy. I hope you learned something. If you get questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below, as I do always reply to all the answers. And also subscriptions obviously helps me. It motivates me to keep making videos. And your feedback also lets me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. So I'll let you guys be. Enjoy the show. Enjoy watching this Supra get a nice, beautiful detailing treatment from a professional. And enjoy. Be careful on the plastic there. You get the other one.
Right. No, actually.